Good morning students, welcome to my English class. So today we will be doing an assignment in our grammar zone book. So do you remember what we learned in my last class? Right, we learned about vowels and consonants. Right, I gave you a video yesterday about vowels and consonants. So do you remember what are vowels? Right. The letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels, right? And the other letters B and the rest of the 21 letters are called consonants. So let us revise one more time that there are 26 letters in English alphabet, and the letter A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and the rest 21 letters are called consonants. Okay, so in this book we'll be doing an exercise, and later on we'll be learning about the vowels blending sound. I'll give you a video about it, and a blending sound of two consonants together as well. So let us all take out page number 14 here, right? And this is a very easy assignment and easy exercise to do. Look at the first letters of these words, write V for vowels and C for consonants. Okay, so here we have few words written here. Can you see that? 8 words. तो बच्चों यहाँ पर 8 वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं. आपको इनके फर्स्ट लेटर आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि वो फर्स्ट लेटर कॉन्सोनेंट है या वावल है, राइट? सो हियर लेट अस डू दिस क्वेश्चन F. देयर इज़ वन मोर क्वेश्चन हियर. ये अभी हम नहीं करेंगे. यहाँ पे जो है ये मैं आपको बाद में कराऊंगी जब मैं आपको अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर कैसे होता है उसका एक वीडियो दूंगी. उसके बाद मैं वो एक्सरसाइज कराऊंगी, राइट? तो अभी है यहाँ पे ईल. सो व्हाट इज़ द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ ईल? राइट, द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ eel is E. So E is a vowel or a consonant? Right. So E is a vowel. तो आपको यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है? V. Next, the second one, oats. O A T S. Oats. So oats में first letter क्या है? O, which is a vowel. So आपको यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है? V. Here again, this is cake. So what is the first letter of cake? C. It is a consonant. Here it's jam. What is the first letter of jam? J. J is a consonant or a vowel? It is a consonant. The next letter is uncle. Uncle. The first letter of uncle is U, which is a which is a vowel. Then the first letter of air, A-I-R, air. The first letter of air is A, which is a vowel once again. Then the first letter of I is a vowel once again. And the last one is house. So the first letter of house is H. So H is a consonant, right? Children, take out page number 15 here. This is very easy. Fill in the blanks with vowels. So यहाँ पे आपको कुछ pictures दिए हुए हैं. What you have to do? यहाँ पे आपको vowels भेजना. तो पहले सबसे पहले हमने यहाँ पढ़ना है. Karan, what will you bring for the class party? Meeta, I can bring egg. ठीक है. Sandwiches. What will you bring? Karan, I will bring apples and oranges. Meeta, I wish someone brings ice cream. It is so hot. I think it will rain. Karan, do not worry. I am carrying an umbrella. हमने यहाँ पे ये सब डाल दिया है. आपको यहाँ पे वावल्स के लेटर्स लिखने हैं और आपको ये रीड करना है. रीड द लाइन्स. ठीक है, आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है इन लाइन्स को रीड करने के लिए. नेक्स्ट वन इज़, यहाँ पे कुछ पिक्चर्स दिए हुए हैं. ओके, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू हियर, यू हैव टू circle the picture of the fruit with whose name begins with consonant. ठीक है, जिसका नाम consonant से शुरू होगा उसको आपको सर्कल करना है. So what is the first picture here? This is papaya. So papaya में first letter क्या है? P, which is a consonant. So आपको papaya सर्कल करना है. The next one is pomegranate. Pomegranate is once again P, which is a consonant. Circle pomegranate. This is apple. The first letter of apple is A, which is a vowel. So we are not going to circle this. The next one is cucumber. This is cucumber. So cucumber, the first letter of cucumber is C. So circle cucumber. The next one is grapes. Again, so what, the first letter of grapes is G, which is a consonant once again. This fruit's name is mango and the first letter of mango is M. So we have to circle this also. This is an orange. So first letter of orange is O. So we are not going to circle this. This picture is pear. This one is pear. The first letter of pear is P. So we have to circle P here. This is a pineapple. The first letter of pineapple is once again P, which is a consonant. So I've circled pineapple as well. This is watermelon. So watermelon is W, which is also a consonant. So circle the watermelon as well, right? So we have circled these fruits which have names that begins with consonants. So take out your book and do these assignments. So now children, take out page number 17 once again. Page number 17. Here there is a box made here. Can you see two boxes here, columns here are there, और इस बॉक्स में कुछ वर्ड्स लिखे हुए हैं. आपको इनमें सबको सेपरेट करना है. जो वर्ड वावल है, वावल से शुरू होता है, वो इस तरफ लिखना है. एंड words that begin with a consonant you have to write it down in this column. तो सबसे पहला हम पढ़ेंगे word is apron. This is what? Apron. The apron का first letter क्या है? A, which is a vowel. So यहाँ पे आपको लिखना है apron, vowel के नीचे. Okay. Then आया आपका butter, right? So butter is a consonant. The first letter B is a consonant, so you have to write butter here, right? Next is flour or flour, इसको आटा कहते हैं, which is F, so which is a consonant, F-L-O-U-R, flour. Next one is ice. I is a vowel, So write ice here. Next one is spoon. Spoon में S is consonant. Oven. Oven, O is vowel. Mixing, M is consonant. Bowl, bowl is consonant. Elephant, elephant is vowel. Right? So can you see this, what I have written here? आपको यही करना है आपको, ठीक है? You have to write down the words that start with vowel in the left column and the words in consonant in the right column. Right? Take out your book and do it.